Jai Bhim, Dr. Udit Raj, Chairman Parisang. First of all, I thank you all to make the virtual rally a grand success on 28th June 20th. Let me tell you that how many people participated in virtual rally. On the Facebook page of All India Parisang, 8,80,750. On the page of Dr. Udit Raj, 9,30,000. On the page of DOM Parisang, 2,50,000, 53,500. On NSYF page, 1,96,040. And on Twitter, Udit Raj Twitter, 2,32,503. All India Parisang Twitter, 1,89,660. DOM Parisang, 7,550. NSYF, 2,590. YouTube, 7,800. Instagram, 2,700. Altogether, participants in the rally were 453. This is a grand success, and having worked on Zoom for almost 3 months, we conducted 55 Zoom conferences, and that galvanized, that prepared the atmosphere, and resultantly we had a grand virtual rally on 28th of June. You know that Supreme Court has said that reservation is not a fundamental right. We opposed, and of course in case of Andhra Pradesh reservation matter, in scheduled tribe case, where it was 100% reservation, Supreme Court objected it. But Supreme Court did not object when 10% reservation was given to upper caste, economically poor upper caste, which exceeded 50% limit of reservation. And at the time of Corona crisis, economic package was announced. It was to give relief to the people, but under the garb of economic package, a great harm was done. Coal, airport, public sector undertakings were thrown open to the private sector. Hence, a great deal of privatization had taken place. Thus, our scope of reservation is going to be further narrowed. So these were our issues in the virtual rally. And friends, now we have created this model, very successful model. And unfortunately, we could not be connected with the southern India. However, I tried. I appeal to brethren and sisters of southern India that now it is so easy to connect the brethren and sisters of north, west and east. And you don't need to travel to rally to interact with us. Please use Google Meet. Zoom is being discontinued, but there are many apps. And come on Facebook, Twitter, and there are many applications where we can have a face-to-face discussion. And now government has announced that 150 trains would be privatized. What is going to remain for you? You are going to be finished in this country. Please awaken. And Parisang needs the support of South India. It's not for us, but for you also. You are also product of reservation. But the extent the support should be extended, it not be extended. Awake. Get awakened. It's alarming for all of us in the country. The constitution will remain, but they will not implement. They have not been implementing since 2014. And those who are under the illusion that, oh, Baba Sahib constitution is there, what harm can be done? But they should not. They are in paradise, fools. Constitution has not been obeyed now. It's not being implemented. This is what I have to say, that now virtual rally should be presided in Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, in all these southern states also, which have not been really galvanized, which have not been really helping us, are not the part of that much as it needed. This is what I have to appeal you, that conduct virtual rally as soon as possible, and then of course in a month time, and then afterwards at the district level, then afterwards further down at grassroots level, because during the corona we never know that we will be physically allowed to meet, and there is no need to physically meet also. And it's an easy thing, and we only can do it. Ours is the only organization, because our organization of educated people. Like first the BJP did virtual rally, then afterwards we did it. Ours was more successful than them. I know they put up the LCD and then connected with the server, but we use better techniques. So this is what I have to appeal. Thank you so much.